Man, it's really dark. Can't see anything through this thing. Hey guys, with JohnyTechReview. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're gonna do a quick review of these XBX A01 Plus class. These are the AR class that I did an unboxing before. So I have these glass now for about a month, and I will tell you why am I returning it. Let's talk about first the reason why I bought it. Well, it was a lot of influencer online showing how good it is and everything. Come in a nice case. It opened in this little rocket. Unpacking experience is really cool, right? And the glass itself, I know this company, they make some really cool AR glass with screen inside, so this is really good. But the reason I bought it was because the price was about right, about $300. And also the fact that this is really light. I think it was 69 grams or something like this. It's super light compared to some of the other stuff. For your information, I have the Meta glass at home, and we use that. My wife used that mostly for video and doing some cool thing, but those don't have screen, so I was interested in see how these are compared to the more expensive version that's $400 or $500. And to be honest, the screen quality on this is really good. If you are looking for a big screen, about 140 inches as they claim, just plug into your device. I have a Samsung Galaxy that I can use either mirror or Samsung DeX, and it works really well. Or if you plug into an iPhone that has USB-C output, you're good to go. It's really good. Watching movies, stuff like that on the airplane. Even with this shade on, without the full blood out shade, it works really well. Now, why am I returning it? Well, there are, I would say, 2 or 3 reasons, but the main reason is just use case. I'm at work all day. I'm sitting here right in front of my 4K screen, and at night I usually watch TV either in my own room with the Sony TV that I have or on the projector. And during the day, if I'm on the weekend, I'm free, I'm moving around, I'm usually not using this. So honestly, for me, there's not a lot of use case while I'm traveling recently. And when I'm traveling, I prefer either listen to music and just take a nap, or read a book, or watch a movie. And that watch a movie is a very small part of it, right? Unless I'm going transatlantic or something like that, I would still prefer to watch a movie on the screen instead of this. But yeah, this is really enticing, and I think it looks really good. There's no distraction. When you're looking at the screen, your eyes focus on it. It's really good. So I think if you're looking for a big screen experience, it has its own USB-C plug into your device, so it drains from your device. This is really good. The speaker is something to be desired. You will probably just want to use your own Bluetooth headphone. Yes, other people can come really close and hear it. For YouTube, stuff like that, it works well. But if you're watching a movie, you probably just want a nice Bluetooth headphone, right? Gonna let you guys listen to the sound here. I'm gonna play a YouTube video real quick. So volume is maxed out.
Now I've already released
I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's maxed out volume. And right now the brightness is about midway, and I can see perfectly at the screen, and I can't even see behind me. It's really good. I can't even see my hand. Weight, really good. I think this is the most, I would say, desirable part about this glass, and it looks really good also when you're putting it on like this, right? It has adjustable angle that you can adjust here, so it's really comfortable. I can wear this for over an hour. I was watching movies on it, and yeah, it's good. There's no weight. I don't feel anything. There's a little bit of reflection right now with all the light in this room, but if you put on the blood shade like this, it also works well. So that was a use case, the reason why I return it. There's 2 other things to consider. The case that it comes with is like this. It will fit the glass and the little bright neon green cable, but it doesn't fit the shade. You can kind of squeeze in there. I do wish that this shade just go on top of this, but you do have to take this glass shade off to put this one on. So yeah, you kind of just, do you carry this? Do you force it in that box? Yes, you can force it in, but I don't feel comfortable about it. So I wish this just kind of magnetically attached on top. That would be cool, but it doesn't. You have to take this one off. The software inside, it has a built-in software. You can control some stuff on the screen. You can make it so less motion sickness. That only work on a 120 Hz display. So if you plug into an iPhone and you're doing the movies, you can do that. Even on my Samsung, if I turn DeX off and I use it regular mirror, then I can use that. It just kind of, the screen slowly follow you instead of just quickly jerking around. And that's help if you have motion sickness issues. I just leave it off. It works really well. By the way, the screen is really bright. I have my about midway on brightness, and I'm able to sit outside in the day and look at it fine. I can see through it, but most of the time in your glass, you can't really see too much of it. So you can kind of look out through your peripheral and see outside, but that's about it. Alright guys, this is my quick review of this XBX A01 Plus, mouthful, reviews. If you guys have any questions, do feel free to leave in the comment box down below. This is the reason why I'm returning it. I hope you guys have a good rest of the day. Please give this video a like, it will help me a lot, and subscribe for more future content. Thank you.